I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to configure Windows 10 to store files on a drive that's different than your C drive. For example, this computer here has a 240GB solid state drive and a 750GB traditional hard drive. We want Windows to store the pictures, music, videos, documents, downloads, etc. on the data drive, which is the hard drive, to leave space available on the C drive, which is a solid state drive. So what we gotta do is we're gonna go into File Explorer, and right here you'll see desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music, and videos. Now this video is going to focus on how to do it with individual accounts, and I do believe when you add a new account to the computer you have to do this manually. We're going to find that out here in just a moment actually. So to give you an idea of what we're dealing with here. So we go to my computer. You see we have this is the C drive, which is a 240GB solid state drive, and we have the D drive, which is a 750GB hard drive. So what we gotta do is right click on desktop, properties, and you'll see a tab for location. So what we gotta do is change this to drive D. Select OK. And it's going to say the folder does not exist. You want to create it? Say yes. And we recommend moving all the files. Say yes. And you select OK. And this should also take care of moving files. Now there's no files on this since it's a clean install. So we're going to do this for all of these. The location. We're going to change that to D. Select OK. Yes, and yes. Location. Again, change this to D. Now there may be a way you can configure Windows to automatically do this for new accounts. I'm not sure of how to do that. If I do figure out, I'll have to post that into a new video. So we're repeating these for all of these. Okay, so now if we look, there's now a users folder here, and you'll see these folders are now on the D drive. So when you go to, for example, documents, it opens up on the D drive. Now it doesn't say it here, but it is mapping to the D drive in this case. So the only thing now that's really going to stay put on the C drive would be, let's go have a look. Like things like your favorites, your contacts, your app data, which is hidden right now, stuff like that, which those items don't take up a lot of room to begin with. but everything else will now be mapped to the D drive. So that way, you're not filling up your SSD real quickly with files, and you're storing those files over on the hard disk drive. So let's go ahead and switch users. Go ahead and log off of this one. And these other two have not been logged on before, so let's see what happens here. That's a little trick that you can use to bypass that ridiculous "hi, we're happy you're here." Turn off all this stuff. You gotta love Windows 10. Let's go see if anything is getting installed in the background. OneDrive. There it is. Okay, so now we open up File Explorer. Properties. Yeah, you can see how it still puts it all on C, so we got to repeat the steps for the remaining user accounts. So I'll go and do this account here on video, and I'll go and end this video. So, like before, now there probably is a way where you can configure Windows 10 to store these items by default on a different drive than C. But if you just have one account, or if you're just adding another user account to the computer, I mean, this is a one-time deal. And once you set it up, it's done. You don't have to worry about it anymore. I'm so used to selecting F because on the Mid-Tower Lux, the data drive is actually drive F. Which is my own system, for those who aren't familiar with Q Computer Company lingo. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Computer channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.